got together May 11th, 20 years ago. It was the first day. I asked him when he was going to be my boyfriend, and he said right now. And so we've been doing this for 20 years. We've had ups, we've had downs, we've had sideways and this ways and kids, new jobs, finance, whatever they threw at us. We faced every challenge, and we're still here 20 years.
What's up, travel fam? Welcome back to another travel vlog.
Welcome back, y'all.
And we are in the beautiful Lake Tahoe.
Yes, y'all know this is our favorite spot. Today is May 11th. This is our second day in Tahoe. And May 11th is so special for us, babe.
Today, we've been together 20 years. 20
years.
As of this very day.
Yeah, so what better way to spend it in Lake Tahoe?
One of our favorite spots.
One of our favorite spots. Spot that means so much love to us. So we can't wait for you all to come and view the rest of the sites with us today. So stay tuned for those videos.
Let's go. April going all through the snow. She didn't ask for this. Hey everybody, we made it to our second stop. This is Glen Alpine Falls.
Yeah, the last time we came here, it was not flowing like this, so we had to go through snow, hike up a little bit. It wasn't too bad, but I'm glad we came to see it flowing like this. I'm
glad we came to see it. It's really flowing, as you can see. And the road was closed down, yeah. So we did have to hike through snow a little bit, but it was well worth it. What's up, travel fam? We're at stop number 3. This is Cave Rock. We've been here before. We showed you a video on it before, but hopefully we get some different pictures, and we always got to come here when we come to Lake Tahoe. They don't show you when you come to Cave Rock. You gotta climb up all these rocks to get to the top. But I climbed up already. Halfway there. Made it to the top of Cave Rock again. You saw what you got to go through to get up here. It's a little hike, and then you got to do a little rock climb, and then you'll get to the top to these views here. What's up, guys? We made it to stop number 4. This is Heavenly Village, and we're gonna take a tour of the shops around.